ladies, I hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to come on here and share a little bit more information about this wig that was up in my stories. I got a lot of questions about it. This wig did come from UniWigs. It came in this cute box. I'm a sucker for good packaging. It just makes it more exciting to, to get a wig in the mail. And it also came with some goodies too. So they did send, they sent clips, a little comb if you want to add it, and then the band too if you'd like to customize it. I personally don't really like to add a lot to my wigs. I like to keep it as simple as possible, and the clips tend to get stuck in my hair, so I like that there's no clips on it to begin with. One thing that I do for this wig though is add some tape to the front. I already cut the lace front on here, but it does just stick up slightly, so to make sure that that's held down in place and doesn't move anywhere, I do use a little bit of Walker's tape. So this is the tape that I order. If anyone has questions, you can send me a message. I just get it off of Amazon and it works really well. It also lasts a long time, so it's pretty affordable and works really well. So I cut tiny pieces. This is about the size of the piece that I use. When you are putting your tape on, you're going to want to make sure that that spot up there is dry. I haven't put it on yet because I just wanted to show you guys. So I go ahead and just rinse off any makeup or oils that's in that area and make sure it's dry. And then you can go ahead and stick that piece of tape right in the front. You don't want it where, that's at least where I put mine. Other people like to put a few, but I just need that extra hold right here. But right in front of the hairline, because it will get stuck in the hair, it's pretty heavy duty. In my opinion, it does stick really well. So once that is on there, I would just put it back on and hold it down where the tape is so that it gets a nice firm hold. You can put a bandana around it to hold it for a bit, and it gives that good hold for all day. The second way that I like to customize this wig is with a little bit of foundation. And right now I just have this kind of traditional wig cap on, but I am looking to order the Milano lace front wig grip so that it helps with, I think that would be a little bit more comfortable than these, and also just helping it look even more realistic. But for the time being, I'm using just a tiny bit of concealer, and when I say tiny bit, you really don't need a lot. And this is the concealer that I use on my face. So it's a pretty good match for what my scalp color would be. So I'll go ahead and just put a tiny bit on my hand and then use an eyebrow brush. This is what I use for my eyebrows. It's an old one that I have. It's got a pointed angled brush here. And go ahead and dab a little bit of the foundation and work it through here. Obviously this is easier to do when it's not on your head, but I wanted to show you guys how I do that. So you're gonna go through and just keep dabbing it. I wouldn't rub it through in a line. I think that the dabbing works the best, in my opinion. And it just brightens it up a little bit and makes it look a little bit more like scalp. I've also seen some hacks with putting some scar away tape underneath, and I'd like to try that soon. So when I do, I will keep you guys updated on that as well. But yeah, so this is Hannah. This is human hair. It feels really nice right now. I'm gonna continue to show you guys some more just information on this one. So after I wash it, I threw some curls in it just recently, and it seems to hold a curl well. So this is something that I really miss with my bio hair, is throwing my hair into this super messy bun. And I'm loving that I'm able to achieve this with lace. So I'll just show you how easy it just went up. This is a lot of hair, and it's got this little guy hanging here, which is perfect for just a messy bun. And all I did was pull it back, and this is what I used to do, just kind of throw it in a bun like this, pull out some pieces, and go on with my day. So I love that I can just feel like my old self and throw my hair in a messy bun. This was my go-to look before. So this is what it looks like. How easy is that?